Imagine having a single platform powered by AI to streamline your marketing efforts. Let's say content creation, social media management, and more. In today's video, I'll introduce you to an all-in-one AI marketing platform that can change the way you market your brand. I'll also walk you through its features, show you how to use it step by step, and also explain why this tool could be a game changer for your business, no matter the size. So if you're interested in having a single platform powered by AI to manage all your marketing efforts, just stick around to the end of this video. Hi, my name is Lenny and I provide tutorials on new and exciting AI tools that would help make your life easier and better. So if you're interested in learning more about AI or new AI tools on the market, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so that you never miss an update. The tool in question is called AI, and as usual, I'm going to leave the link to this tool in the description box below so that you can go check it out. I must mention that this tool provides you with a 7-day free trial. So if you want to try it out first before making a purchase, then I would encourage you to do so. You have something to try it out. You don't need to enter your credit card information. All you need is to sign up with your email address. Now let's get started. So in order for you to start using this tool, you first need to create an account, and I always encourage you to create an account on platforms that you want to try out so you don't lose your work. Right off the bat, what I love about this is the fact that when signing up, it gives you the option to log in with Google. Some tools don't do that, and I think that it just introduces additional steps for the user. So it's great that this tool allows you to just log in with your Google account. I'm just going to click on Google. If you don't have a Google account, of course, you could enter the email address you want, and I'm just going to sign up. So now once you sign up to this platform, it's going to bring you to this dashboard you see here. So basically, it's asking you for a few questions just to understand a bit more about what you do. So if you have a website you already built for your business, then you can go ahead and put the link to your website in the home page. Like if you don't have a website, then you could basically go on and add the details manually. So I'm just going to add the details manually for the purposes of this tutorial, and also again you can always use ChatGPT to describe what your business is. But then I'm just going to say it's just an AI tutorial channel that provides tutorials on latest AI tools in the market. And then I'm just gonna click on enhance and let's see what happens here. Okay, so as you can see, it's basically actually expanded on the one line I put in, which is great. This would actually give you, if you have to now build your website, this will actually give you some ideas on what you need to put on the website. Okay, so now that I have an overview of my business, I'm just gonna click on next. Now, since I already gave this application an overview of my business, it knows who my audience is automatically. So it's going to generate data on who my audience is and the type of audience I lead through. Target. If you're an entrepreneur, then you know how important it is to know who your audience is. So basically, it's telling me, and I think this is actually really smart, it's telling me that my primary audience are like beginners in AI, individuals with little or no experience in artificial intelligence, eager to learn foundational concepts in fields, likely to include students, recent graduate, professional transitioning into AI related parents. So this is actually good because then it means that anytime it's going to generate content, it would have this at the back of its mind that my audience are people that fall within this category. I'm gonna click next. So brand voice and style. So again, it sort of have suggested what my brand voice should be based on who my audience is and what my channel or my business is all about. So basically, this means that for any content, it's gonna basically produce for me. It's gonna make sure that it's gonna be in a professional yet approachable voice. It's also gonna be clear and concise. I mean, there are a lot of things in here. Now I'm gonna click on complete personalization, and I like this because then it understands a bit more about my business. It has a background, so it can basically just like generate content for me. So yeah, so now that we've been able to personalize this tool for ourselves to see our business, the next step for me is to just decide on whether what type of content I want to create. So whether I want to create content on X or I want to create content on LinkedIn. I want to create an article for my website. I could basically also create a post for LinkedIn. So let me just click on post for LinkedIn, for instance. So when you come in here, it would basically ask you to explain your own idea. You may be able to just click on surprise me, and then it's going to come up with like content ideas for you. So maybe I'm just going to start with entering the type of idea I want to post. So I'm going to say the importance of AI in businesses, and let's see what to give us. Gonna click on use, and let's see what comes out of it. Okay, so I don't know why it says error occurred. So I'm gonna go back again and type okay. Yeah, this is actually also very good and very interesting. I probably would take this off so that I don't look so like it's been generated by AI. But I think other things apart from the title looks great. So this is actually good, to be honest. Okay, so I'm just gonna go back and let's say I just want to create a blog for my website. What I'm gonna do is click on SEO article. And I'm probably gonna add like some keywords. So I'm just gonna add a keyword. Let me see, AI tutorials. Then I'm gonna add the keyword. As you can see, there are some keywords that have been suggested for me based on what I put in here. So like AI in digital marketing, it looks like AI for marketers has a lot more value. I'm gonna take on AI for marketers and then click on continue. And then now I need to select my secondary keyword. So let's see what comes up based on what I put in here. So if I say AI for business owners, let's see what comes up. Oh, you know what? Maybe I'm just gonna use the recommendation here based on the fact that I selected AI for marketers. So I'm just gonna say AI content creation tools. I think that's actually interesting. So I'm gonna click on continue. Okay, so we have maximizing your marketing potential, the role of AI for marketers in content strategy. I think I like this one. I like this, get some introduction, talks a bit about like AI content creation tools. So I guess it's going to mention a number of them. I'm just going to click on use. And now it's going to generate an article for us. You know what, this is actually so cool. Yeah, I like the fact that AI is really making our lives easier. It's actually changing the game. If you watch till the end of this video, then it definitely means that you enjoy using AI for your business, or you're an entrepreneur, you're a content creator, or you're a business owner. So you may want to check out my last tutorial where I use AI to create an avatar that it would use as a virtual assistant for your website when you're away. I'll leave that on the screen so that you can go check it out. But for now, I really thank you for watching and see you in the next one.